In this video I'm gonna show you all camera settings available on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So let's open the camera and then over here let's go to the camera settings. So first we have the front photo resolution. We can actually increase the resolution of selfie videos by setting this option to high. Besides that, we have the watermark option. We can use the camera watermark, and we have 3 styles in total, all of which can be chosen by simply swiping over here. And these options have additional settings here below. Besides that, we can enable and disable Google Lens. So if it's enabled, you have access to Google Lens over here in the top left corner. Besides that, we have AI Auto, which is the audio zoom used when recording a video. We can also save videos in the HEVC format or H.265 instead of H.264. There's also the mirror effect that can be disabled or enabled. We have the capture methods where we have, for example, the palm gesture named gesture selfie. So with this option enabled, you can show your palm to the front camera while taking a selfie in order to take the selfie without using the shutter button. There is also the auto smile capture, which makes the phone detect smiles, and if everyone is smiling in the frame, then the photo will be taken automatically. And there is also tap anywhere to capture, so you don't have to press the shutter button. You can simply tap on the camera preview in order to take the photo. And then there is also the shutter sound that can be, of course, muted as well. We have also capture assistant section where we can enable grid lines and the leveler. We have the quick capture gesture, so with a little twist, if you twist twice like this, you can quickly access the camera, and you can also choose what should be opened with this gesture. So you can always open the rear camera or the selfie camera, or you can set it to automatic so that it chooses the last option, I believe. And there is also keep last mode, so you can open the camera with the last used mode active. So if you exit the camera with the video mode and then you return to the camera, you are still in the video mode. We can also save the location, so if you take a photo or record a video, the location will be saved in the details of that given photo or video. We can also choose where we want to store photos and videos. It can be you have the choice between the internal storage and the SD card if you have the memory card. However, there's also some information about the requirement for SD cards, so be sure to check them out. And besides that, we have the camera feedback and help, and there's also the reset option, so you can reset all camera settings in this place. And that's about it. Of course, besides that, we have additional options in different camera modes over here at the top, like the flashlight, for example. Let's go back. There's also the image preference. We have the aspect ratio and so on and so forth, and the camera timer, for example. And that is for the photo mode. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.